What's the meaning of bullish? Bullish. Bullish.
Bullish. Bullish. Bullish is a term used in stock market trading to describe a positive or optimistic outlook for the future direction of stock prices. When investors are bullish, they anticipate a rise in stock prices and tend to be more willing to buy stocks. This can result in an overall increase in demand for stocks, which can lead to higher prices. However, being bullish does not always guarantee success in the market, as unforeseen events and market fluctuations can still impact stock prices. Overall, a bullish sentiment can create a positive atmosphere in the market and encourage investors to take risks and invest in the future.